Namaste Sri Rama. Love and respect to foot of Lord Sri Rama. Question number 1. Which one of the following forms of thread is used for transmitting motion carrying load? Option: V thread, knuckle thread, square thread, acme thread. So for these questions, the correct answer is square thread. A screw jack is a device by which a heavy load can be lifted by applying very little force. A screw jack is a mechanism that converts rotational motion to linear motions. This means it carry a heavy load. This screw jack will carry heavy load using square thread. So for these questions, correct answer is which of one of the following forms of thread is used for transmitting motion or carrying a load? The correct answer for this question is square thread. So next question, which one of the following type of hammers is used for forming a rivet head by spreading the shank of rivet? Option: cross pin hammer, ball pin hammer, straight pin hammer, soft hammer. For this question, correct answer is ball pin hammer. A ball pin is a ball shape, thus it is called ball pin hammer. This type of hammer is widely used for general purpose layouting, riveting, and chipping and forming. For this question, second question is which one of the following type of hammers used for forming a rivet head by spreading the shank of rivet? The correct answer is ball pin hammer. Next questions, the tri-square is used to check up an angle of option 90 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree. Correct answer is 90 degree. So tri-square, it is used for checking the squareness of two surfaces. A tri-square is a woodworking tool used for marking and measuring a square piece of wood. It is used to mark 90-degree lines on metal. So tri-square is used to check up an angle of answer is 90 degree. So next question, the operation of producing increase or decrease in diameter along the length of workpiece in a lathe machine is known as option cylindrical turning, taper turning, facing, shoulder turning. The correct answer is taper turning. So this is a taper turning. Taper may be defined as a uniform increase or decrease the diameter of workpiece measured along its length, where capital D is large diameter of taper in millimeter, and whereas small d, small diameter of taper in millimeter, and where L is the length of taper part in millimeter. For these questions, the operation of producing increase or decrease in diameter along the length of workpiece in a lathe machine is known as taper turning. So next question, which one of the following mechanism is used in dial test indicator? Options: rack and pinion mechanism, hydraulic mechanism, screw thread mechanism, quick return mechanism. For these questions, the correct answer is rack and pinion mechanism. So dial test indicator. The dial test indicator is used to indicate the run out of the workpiece. So for these questions, which one of the following mechanism is used in dial test indicator? The correct answer is rack and pinion mechanism. Next question, which one of the following files is used to file surfaces which are at right angle to surface already finished? Option: round file, square file, hand file, and needle file. So the correct answer is hand file. And files are commonly used for roughing and finishing with a rectangular shape and parallel in width. So for these questions, which one of the following files is used to file surfaces which are at right angle to surface already finished? The correct answer is and file. Next question, aluminium oxide grinding wheels are used to grind material of. Option: high tensile strength, low tensile strength, medium tensile strength, and carbide tipped tools. For these questions, the correct answer is high tensile strength. So, aluminium oxide grinding wheel. Aluminium oxide grinding wheel, generally recommended for grinding material of high tensile strength such as stainless steel and tool steels. For these questions, the aluminium oxide grinding wheels are used to grinding material of. Correct answer is high tensile strength. So next question, which one of the following instrument is used to measure accurately the angle of taper? Option: bevel protector, bevel gauge, taper gauge, Vernier bevel protector. Option correct answer is Vernier bevel protector. Vernier bevel protector. So it is used for measuring the angle between two faces of component. So in these questions, which one of the following instrument is used to measure accurately the angle of taper? Correct answer is Vernier bevel protector. In vernier caliper, which one is smaller, MS division or VS division? Option: both are equal, MS division, VS division, none of this. The correct answer is VS division. So in these questions, we can explain this with an example. So you are given data, the 49 MST and 50 VST, and find the least count. So take a 1 MST is equal to 1 mm. So we know that the least count is difference between 1 MST minus 1 VST. So suppose if from given data is 50 VST and is equal to 49 MST. So observe these two values, that is 50 VST and 49 MST. If the number of divisions is increases, then it will be smaller, and number of divisions is decreases in MST, then it will be bigger. So therefore, in these questions, the correct answer is in vernier caliper, which one is smaller, MS division or VS division? The correct answer is option C, that is VS division. Next questions. A grinding wheel is marked 51C60M6S23. Here the S indicates option prefix symbol, bond type, structure, grain size. The correct answer for this question is bond type. So in this diagram, here, this is 51, is manufacturer's symbol indicates exact kind of abrasive. Okay, C is abrasive type, and 60 is grain size like coarse, medium, fine, and M is grade. Okay, so this is the grade, this is soft, medium, and hard from A to Z. And where 6 is dense to open means stretcher, and where S is stand for bond type, that is modified, silicate, rubber, resin, shield, and oxide. And whereas 23 is manufacturer record, manufacturers private marking to identify wheel is optional. So for these questions, a grinding wheel is marked 51C60M6S23. Here the S indicates bond type. S is indicates bond type. Thank you for watching. Jai Shri Rama.